warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ipin. Now I will explain some English literature material for class 12, namely the discussion text. Okay, let's get to the explanation.
What I will discussion is number 1, understanding discussion text, number 2, objective discussion text, number 3, structure discussion text, and number 4, example of discussion text. Understanding discussion text. Discussion text is a text that presents a problematic topic which is then discussed from various points of view. The discussion text itself discusses something that contains professional and counter view on that things. The topic discussion in the discussion text itself are usually controversial issues that occur in society. Objective. The purpose of discussion text includes provide new information to readers about a problem. This information also takes the form of a new point of view, so that readers can see a problem from a different point of view. Structure discussion text. Number 1, issue. Number 2, argument for. Number 3, argument again. Number 4, conclusion or recommendation. Issue. This section will contain an introduction to the issue discussion. Issue in discussion text can be hot issue currently circulating around educational, health, social, political, historical, or other issue. Argumentation. Number 1. Argument against or contrasting point will contain negative, contra, explanation. So you can explain things that make you disagree regarding the issue being discussed. It could be a loss or other negative things. Number 2, argument for. The second discussion text structure is arguments for. This section contains positive pro explanation. So, if you can explain the things that make you agree, support the issue being discussed. The argument you express can be in the form of advantage, benefits, and so on. Conclusion or recommendation. The author provides recommendation regarding the issue being discussed to the reader or the subject contained in this discussion text. This could be in the form of a suggestion to take action on the issue, or a suggestion that either the reader or the subject in the discussion text study the issue being discussed from various points of view before making a decision. Example discussion text. Issue. Nowadays, the video game industry is developing rapidly. They become a multi-billion dollar industry. Video games have become an important part not only in the children's life, but also in the adult's life. Nevertheless, there is an argument whether video games bring good or bad influence on children. Arguments. Arguments for. People who have a pro-argument claim that video games give a lot of nerves. Playing video games is a good way to kill children abroad. It can refresh the children's mind after a tiring school day. Moreover, they also argue that video games can trigger children to be more creative because the game provides challenge ways to win. In other words, they believe that the video games can actually sharpen a human's brain. Argument against. On the other hand, some people argument that video games make children lazy. The argument that playing video games is addictive. Therefore, most children prefer playing video games to studying. These children have difficult concentration on the study because they are always thinking about how to spend more time playing video games. There are even some children who skip extracurricular lessons just because they want to play video games. Additionally, most video games often contain too much violence. 2 years ago in America, for example, a student shot his teacher and several of his friends. Newspapers said that the boy was deeply offended by the action in the video games he used to play. Conclusion or recommendation: it is obvious that video games have more disadvantages than advantages. Therefore, parents should be very careful in selecting the appropriate game for their children.